Hey, what's up, Lawrence? What's up, Juna? Good to see you all. How we doing? Guys, I did it again. I'm on a streak. I'm on a streak blowing accounts that are close to a payout. Like one trade away and then I just gotta blow them. It is what it is. It is not pretty. Anyways, we're here. Pretty bad night of sleeping for me. Change the chart. No, it's NQ. NQ is fine. I trade NQ on ball knocks, but thanks, don't worry. NQ is fine. Yeah, I mean we have $2,500 drawdown, so we're good there. All right, you wanna see something funny? Look at this. Let me show you. Like, oh my god, let me move it. This is my Bolnox account. Yesterday we I made 1,300. So at least we're getting closer to getting out of the 2,600 threshold here. So that's good. At least something positive. At least something positive. And then look at my Phidias accounts. I mean, this one is funded now. This one I stopped trading, so I don't have to pay the activation fee. But this one is like one trade away. These ones are close. But consistency is fine. Because if you get to the target is 3,600 in profit to get to a payout. It's still gonna be less than 40% consistency. The maximum I can make in a day is 1,440. So that's why I stopped trading. Otherwise I pushed it harder. Because it's I still have to trade 7 days, and once you hit the target, you're not gonna have any problems with the consistency. I mean, technically we could just do the same today. The account is at payout level, but then we still have to trade 6 more days. What went wrong? What went wrong? Trade if I went wrong. It went really wrong. Really wrong. I mean, I had my trade on the open, my opening breakout trade. Didn't work, re-entry didn't work, and then instead of just calling it, I got tilted. Then at one point I was down, I'm not kidding, $900 on one account, and I even got back into profit. One account was in profit, and I was like $100 away from a payout even. And then I got caught on the wrong side, and market just completely went against me. Because if you already down 900 and you come back into profit, you know, at this point just push it for the payout, I thought. Shouldn't have done it. It is what it is. All right, let's see if we get an entry here. But yeah, there's no one to blame. Juno, it's just myself being silly. Just myself. No discipline lately with trading. Just my own fault. it's gonna be bearish. We shall see. I'm just gonna stop caring at this point. I think this is what I have to do. Just treat these accounts like what it is, just like a fun hobby. All right, let's see if we get something here on YM. Trump with Elon. Oh yeah, I saw that. It's getting wild. Yeah, well, this actually cost me my account yesterday. So thanks, Elon. Appreciate it. Because when he said that, the market just dumped. All right, let's see if we get a good close. Our scalp here. Okay, we're in. Really had a pullback before. So a small target. Definitely see a pullback. The other markets are holding a little bit here. All we need is 20 points. Just our 200 bucks, call it a day. Hey, future trading, how are you? Okay, I'm still here at our entry. I'm losing some steam here on the way up. Okay, first time a little bit of profit. Still 10 points to go. And close to the target. Just as a last push. Almost there, a tick away. Literally a tick away. All right, there we go. Yeah, guys, why can't I just do this every day? I mean, it works every day. That's what I used to do in the past, and that's how I get all my payouts. Why can't I just do this and call it a day? Copy trade all my accounts, or even put it in 2 groups. Man, I fucked it up bad lately. It's unbelievable. Can't even believe it. Look, this is gonna even go higher now. Once we're out of the threshold, I'm gonna look for like 1-1 or at least 4 or 5 points, like 40, 50 points. And that's what I used to do in the past. 3 contracts. Look how easy it is. It's still gonna go. My God. What was our entry? Yeah, it's already like 40 points up. Jesus Christ. All right, this was our trade on Bullnox. Look how easy it is. That's what I used to do in the past. It was 1 trade a day, literally like, what was it, 4 minutes, and then I shut off my computer. Done with trading. Everything else selling? Well, like I made the right decision. Well, ES is holding, NQ is going lower. That's why I look at YM, RTY, ES, and NQ to see what works the best. But you see my point, right? It's all I did in the past that made me so much money. It's almost like comical. I'm not kidding. This is like the perfect market condition. You know, after the tariffs, this works out so good. It's so smooth. When was the last time I had a loss on the open here? I don't even remember. Well, maybe for the future I should just really look into trading my own money again. Because if I do this with my own money, I just take out my 200 bucks for the day. But yeah, it is what it is. Alright. Yeah, Juna, keep in mind, let's compare the consistency real quick. Because yesterday we made 1300 on this. Okay, so right now the consistency on this account is 75%. So you will see later when it updates, it's gonna be way lower. And then we still have to trade 6 days, and we're still like 1150 away from the payout target. So consistency is gonna work out just fine. All right, yes, we're gonna switch over to, it's still gonna go higher, by the way. Let's go to Phidias, trade the funded account there. Guys, don't be like me. It can be so easy. It can be so easy. Just have the discipline and don't fuck yourself out of payouts. Hey Sean, how's it going? If you have this little bit of discipline in your life, I don't know what's wrong with me lately, but it can be so easy. I don't even know. Right, okay, we're on my my Phidias account, on the funded account here. Gonna look for what happened. Man, Sean, you already know. Don't even ask. Remember yesterday when I cut the stream early and I was down like 130 on these accounts? I should have taken it. But no, I re-entered, got stopped out again, and something snapped in my brain. And then, yeah, at one point, the accounts, they were down like a $900, and I actually recovered one. Instead of being down 900, I am up 100 on the day. And then I thought, you know what? I'm like 100 something away from a payout. I'm just gonna push it. Try to push it, and yeah, just got stuck on the wrong side. Got completely fucked. That's a bad fill. But you just missed it. We had our open trade. My open trade, it always works. I don't even remember the last time when we had a loss on it. I don't know why. In the past, it's the only thing I did. It took me like 5 minutes a day. I'm done. You know? I just call it. Yeah, lately there's just something wrong with me. All right, gonna try to scalp this account, build up some drawdown. This is a funded account, so just have to nail the first trades with 500 drawdown. Bad red week. I mean, the funny thing is, that's what I said, it's already like almost comical. Everything works out so good lately. It's just when I have this one red day, I can't walk away. And then I just fuck up like 2 weeks of work. It's just so stupid. The opposite too. Yeah, that's the only thing I'm trading since like 5 years. That's where I traded my own money and everything. That's why exactly I know what I'm looking for. And it didn't work well in with the tariffs and all of that, but now where we're back to normal volatility, it works out pretty good. That's why I'm so mad. I could just do this, you know, if I just kept my 10 accounts from 2 weeks ago. I just kept that. Copy trade them all together, just the open, you call it. But anyways. Like I said, we have like 500 drawdown on these accounts, so we gotta be careful. Have to cut it eventually here because I can't keep losing accounts. Come on, give us this scalp. Nice. Alrighty. Yeah, if you trade the open, I would recommend you look for other futures. Try to look at RTY, YM, and ES because they all move a little bit different. And oftentimes I have it, I don't get a setup on 3 of them, but then on like YM I have a setup and it works out pretty good. And sometimes ES and Q are selling off, but YM is pushing higher. You know, you always get a little different setup. It's pretty consistent. I mean, lately you could do 1-to-1 pretty much, and you You make some good money. Okay, let's see if I can even find the YM on here. Because I already closed it on NinjaTrader. Can I type in Dow Jones? Okay, they can't find it. But yeah, anyways, it works out super smooth lately. The only reason why I stopped it was because of the towers. This is RTY. We want YM. Well, they don't have it here. Okay. Anyways. Alright. I mean, I'm still gonna try to take the opening range here. Oh, is it YMM5? I mean, I can't find it. It's Dow Jones. It should be Dow Jones. No, I can't find it. They just have an RTY here. You can find with YMM? What? Huh? I mean, all types, right? I mean, it's not even the micro. Maybe because on the funded account I can't trade it. Wait, let's see if I switch over to an eval. No. Okay. Well, I have no idea. Well, anyways. I'm in queue. Anyways, I can show you later again on NinjaTrader. But yeah, what I was saying is, it's so easy lately with the open and everything. I just don't know why I keep fucking it up. All right, let me set up the range here. Oh my god, how do I do this again? Trend, horizontal line. What's your TP on the open right away? Depends. Oh yeah, Alpine takes 5 points, but I mean it's different with YM, because YM is like Nasdaq. You know, you can go like usually 20 points, between 15 and 30 points on average. It depends on the candle and if there's resistance, etc. That's what I'm looking for. It's always a little bit different. Yeah, I know. He takes the. I mean, he trades differently. All right, let's see if we can get a breakout here. It's just depending on the futures chart that you're trading. Because like on the ES, I look for 2 points maybe, or like 2.5 points. And then on RTY, it could be a little bit different because RTY will move slower. So I look for like 1.5, etc. It's always a little bit flexible. But once we're out of the trailing drawdown threshold, I'm going to try to hold them longer. But in the past, I traded 3 contracts even, and 3 contracts, I looked for 2.5 points. And this was like, what was it? Like 300 something. And if you do this 10 times in a row or 8 days in a row, you have to pay out. So All right, no entry here. Let's see. You're gonna go short. Oh, oh, looks like we're gonna get along here. Alrighty. How did it work out yesterday for you, Sean, with all the volatility? I mean, yesterday was crazy with all the tweets and news conferences, etc. All right, looks like we're gonna get our entry here. We have a good close. Okay. All right, we're in. It's 13 points. It's a bit hard to set it up here. Did I set it up correctly? Oh, not really. Oh, might get stopped here. All right, we're stopped. Okay, that didn't work out well. No, it could be maybe on NinjaTrader I wouldn't have taken it. I don't know. All right, but we're just gonna go back in. We're just trying to scalp this up again. I expect a weird day. Unless the Google earnings is later on in the day, or let's see if we can hold this. Yeah, I wonder if I would have taken it on NinjaTrader as well. I mean, here it just looks different than on NinjaTrader, so I'm not sure. But yeah, this would have been the second loss in a row. I mean, yesterday had a loss as well on this. It looks very different. Yeah, that's what I mean. Because maybe on NinjaTrader this wouldn't be good enough for me to take it, so I have no idea. I really hope Fidia soon is gonna be on NinjaTrader. That's the only thing I don't like about it. How many points are you looking? Oh, I have no idea. I think like 20. Let's look for 50. Let's be let's be funny today. Let's look for 50 points. Yeah, this is a funny guy, I know. All right, let's not be too funny. Let's look for 40. Man, I don't know, man. This is it's just so not depressing, but it just makes me so sad that I keep doing it. I mean, let's see if it works out or not. I mean, what do we have to lose at this point? What do we have to lose? You don't understand one thing? What is it? All right, we're not going higher. Come on, don't make me take it earlier. When we're in a trade, if we're in a loss, then we go to. That's true. I mean, it's easier. That's right. That's a good point. You know, why, if we close the trade early when we're in profit, why don't we do the same if we in the negative? Or if we hold the trade like until we blow the account, why don't we just hold it until it's at the payout? That's right. I don't know. This is just. It's a good point. It's a big pullback here. Let me just hold it until market closes today. Wanted to add there. Yeah, Juno, this is just psychology. I don't know. It's different if you're in the red. I don't know. I think it's easier to accept $10 profit than $100 loss. You know? And I think when we're in the red, we're just hoping that it goes back maybe to break even. Or maybe just $1 in profit and just take it off, you know? Well, that's what I used to tell myself in the past. Oh, if I'm down, I'm just gonna wait until it's break even or a couple dollars in profit. I'm gonna close it, and then once it is at break even, I'm like, okay, now I can actually hold it again, right? Back to break even, and then it goes lower again. I know. It's what it is. But yeah, guys, I hope you are all doing better than me. I'm getting hot in here. I'm gonna take off my jacket. All right, market. Let me add one. You got this from here, right? Market got it. Market got it. I traded 3 years back. I lost my money. Uh, I mean, oh no, it goes lower. What I sometimes tell myself is that the money on the screen, it's not real. You know, if I have a losing trade, it's not real. It's just like coins. Like it's only on the screen, because if we trade funded accounts, it's not our own money anyways. The only risk that we have is the money we put into it. But now this account is already paid, so I have nothing to lose anymore. You know, my money is gone already. So all this might just pull back and blow the account. Had my chance to get out. Alright, let's see how long we survive on this account. It's funny, on the eval accounts, I can make 1500 in a day without any issues. But on funded accounts, I always get screwed up. Even if I trade the same way. Well, if this goes lower, we're gonna lose this one as well. Yeah, not looking good. Didn't even last 30 minutes in this account. Jesus Christ. Oh, you're short? Look, I do this for you. This is for you. That's why I went long, so the market goes lower. Oh, minus 300. Yeah. Okay. I know, Truna. I know. All right. Oh, you also like, but hopefully not on a funded account, right? Okay, so we're down like 40 points here at one point. Do you think we can hold at 40 points to the upside as well? Do you think we can do that? Eval, okay. Yeah, they have a flash sale today. Until the market closes, it's 90% off again, but I'm not gonna buy any accounts. Oh, you're in on 5. Okay, I mean, I'm in 4 with 500 drawdown. So, but look, just wait for the pullback, so then buy it. You have 800 drawdown. Yeah, that's a little bit easier. That's a little bit easier. Well, I'll say goodbye to this account. I still have 3 others that I basically passed, but I don't know if I want to activate them today. Okay, Juno, where's your target? My target is at 900. Seems like a reasonable target for me. Think we can get there? 880 is enough, okay. Well, let's be hopeful here. Let's see. We gotta believe. But yeah, this weekend, I'm gonna sit down in silence and I'm gonna have a talk with myself and go over what I'm doing wrong the last weeks. This could have been my best month ever. Some positive news. Check Tesla. Oh yeah, yesterday I bought some Tesla. Like I traded it when they sold off like 20%. I already hit my target yesterday. Okay. Oh wow, they opened up. Like they gapped up. Like was it 10 points higher Tesla than they closed? Damn. Oh no, we came close to the entry here, but it's not time yet. Look, Juna, just straight down again. Man, should have taken it off, I guess. Which is distracting. Distracted looking at Tesla. crazy. Like I blew up so many accounts the last weeks that usually if I have a bad day, it resets. At the end of the day, you know, I'm reset. I come back the next day, I'm normal. But now this is even transferring to the next days. So even when I come back the next day, I'm still the same way. I'm still pissed off. Man, it is ugly, I'm telling you. I'm just screwed. Okay, right at our entry here. Well, we gotta test these highs at least. Nope, it doesn't want to go. Look how it's selling off. This is just crazy. It's not looking good. Once we break this low, we're gonna go lower. I already know it. Market's just marketing, yeah. Oh, I mean, like I said, there's no one to blame for it. This is just myself. This is just myself being silly. Also, yesterday when I when I lost my Tradeify accounts, I knew I was tilted. That's why I disconnected Bolanox. I said, okay, before I start blowing them completely, let me disconnect Bolanox, so I'm not gonna touch my Bolanox account. Once both accounts were gone, guess who reconnected Bolanox and traded it? But yeah, at least we made some good money yesterday there. We're up 1300 yesterday. A lot of revenge trading. All right, are we gonna get a little bit of hope here at one point, or is it just hopeless? It might just be hopeless here. Yeah, I'm at this point now. Like I said, on Sunday, I'm gonna sit down and I'm actually gonna calculate how much money did I spend on prop firms this year. I'm at this point now where I have to know, because it's getting bad, getting really, really bad. All right, this is our little hope candle here. Let's see. Does the market has mercy? Let's see. I mean, I'm not asking for too much, right? My target is in the 913, so it's not too far away, right? There's only 70 points. We can do that. That's strong. Oh, I don't know. It's not like that I'm asking for 100 points. It's only 70. We can't even get any profit. All right. Dollar's pulling back. Well, let's just hope for the best. Let's just pray. Let's say all the prayer together here. How much is that? 70 points. How much is that in with four contracts? Does anyone know? You exit it. Might be the smartest decision. Okay, so 20 points is 160. Okay, it has to be something like 500, 560, right? We get there. You're down 16 points or $16. Well, Juna, that's good. Be disciplined. Don't be like me. This is just entertainment here. We're just blowing these accounts together. Dollar's holding. So let's just hope Elon is not gonna have another meltdown like yesterday and tweeting some stuff so we can actually go higher today. Alrighty, can we go higher? Yeah. Don't do that again. Just today, just delete your tweet and look how the market goes higher. Like, oh, just kidding, I take it back. Why did he do it when I'm in a trade? Can't he just wait? My God. Like, really? Well, maybe we should have exited here. This is what we get. We'll get like a point and a half. So pretty much we're down even when we close the trade because of commissions. All right, let's see if we can take out the high. The high here. Come on. All right. I'm just gonna say it in case we get there. In case we get to the highest, I'm gonna start putting my stop in to break even. Just to make sure we're not gonna lose the account on this trade. If we get there. If. And then we're gonna start and look for a nice trail to 917. This is our target. Let me show you on the 15-minute. Look, it looks so beautiful, huh? Look. Oh wait, it's hard to show you. But this is our target up here. Let's see if we can get there. Oh, well, forget it, I guess. Yep, I mean my entry is just resistant, like always. Told you the sim market makers stay after me. They're looking. They're watching the stream. Yeah, now we go lower. Well, should have taken my, what is it? 2 points? Should have taken it. We worked so hard to get back to my entry. And now we just were raising that in a couple seconds. Okay, we're halfway through with this one. So we have like 30 points to go. All are doing the same. Well, I got myself in a pickle again. Got myself in a pickle. Could be too easy. Could be too easy. I don't know, guys. This I'm just like a mental wreck the last days. It is crazy. Yeah, let's see. I mean, it's a 50-50 chance, right? The thing is, if we get one candle on the downside, we're stopped out. That's the problem here. One medium-sized candle is just gonna stop us. It's just gonna break our heart one more time. And it looks like it just wants to roll over. It looks like it just want to roll over. But yeah, this is how you not trade. So if you're new here, just do the exact opposite of what I do. All right. We're actually gonna go into profit here. Once we're a couple points in profit, I'm gonna put my stop break even. Okay, let's see. No, never mind. I'm ready. I will pull the trigger. I will pull the trigger. I need more. That can't do it here. Dollar should help to go. I hope so. Can't get 2 green candles in a row, I guess. Just it doesn't want to do it. Well, it gave me another chance to get out break even there. Gave us like 3 chances already. No, never mind. Going lower. Yeah. Once we break these lows, we're gonna just fall. Just gonna fall apart. We need all the help in the world. Future trading. We need everything. We need prayers. We need markets to spike higher. We need people to tweet. We need everything right now. My finger is on the trigger. I'm ready to put a break even. Look, my entry is just the resistance here. We had 4 chances to get out break even, pretty much. Okay, another push lower. Strong green on dollars. Okay. Strong red on Nasdaq. Unfortunately. Yeah, market is going, I mean, it's holding pretty much. It's just going sideways. I mean, I don't want to jinx it, so better stop talking about it, but maybe we will see a move. I mean, we're going to see a move soon. It feels like it. We're either going to just fall apart or test these highs. And I hope it's going to be second. Well, never mind. Yeah, guys, we're screwed. Look, yeah, that's the. It could be good. It could be dangerous. Could be that we just hold this level before we go higher, or are we just gonna sell off? You know, Nassim, how is it going? You come through the perfect time. We need your support as well here. Get ourselves in another little pickle. Get ourselves stuck in another nice trade here. You might have been just here in time to see the account being blown. I mean, my target is only 90 points away, so. Holding? Oh, I don't know if you can call that holding. This is just getting ready to sell off. Yeah, prove me wrong, market. Prove me wrong, please. I have a strong feeling we're gonna sell off like crazy soon. You get really choppy and boring. Yeah, I wish I could be out here. But the market might just take us out here in a second. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna place a stop here. Because I think once we break these wicks, we're gonna go lower. So at least we have another try with 250 drawdown. Let's see. Let's at least give ourselves another a chance after this. I mean, it's super tough. 250 drawdown is like nothing, but let's see. All right, there we go. And we're stopped out. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully, that was the correct decision. If this stuffs me out and goes higher now, I'm gonna lose my mind. I mean, what should we do? Should we scalp it? I mean, we can scalp it a little bit. Get some drawdown back. I didn't get filled. Perfect. And now it fills me all the way up there. Oh, yeah, perfect. Okay, let's scalp it. Let's try to scalp it a little bit. Just get some drawdown back here. Could have been out already if I got the fill. Oh, sword target. I mean, look at this. Isn't that funny? I didn't get filled. It goes to my target. Now it misses my other target because I'm in too late. And now it goes lower. Isn't it just funny at this point? Maybe it's just my mind being fucked up now. Hey, Yash, how's it going? Good to see you. Well, guess we're screwed. Yeah, this is gonna go lower. We don't have much drawdown left. $70, so. We're just getting ready for a big candle here. How are we doing? Not good lately. Not good. I'm doing really bad. I'm always getting so close to a payout and then I just fuck it up, unfortunately. How many accounts you have now? I mean, if we lose this one, we're back to one account. But the account that we have is pretty solid. I mean, it's getting closer to getting out of the threshold and stuff. And I have more accounts ready. Like I could activate like basically at least 9 accounts right now, but not the way I trade right now. But yeah, I said it. Sunday I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna have a talk with myself and see what's going on the last weeks. It's a rough patch. The thing is, the market is pretty good. Like my strategies that I trade, they work out pretty good. It's just when I have this red day, like once in a while you have this red trade, it doesn't work out. And then I can't walk away. Then I get just, I don't know, sucked into it. I can't stop. And then I just give away all the progress, all the work, just gone. All right, say goodbye to this account. It lasted not even an hour. Yep, that's what I said. See guys, that isn't that just annoying? I mean, I didn't get filled here and then it gets close to my target, doesn't fill me, turns around and stops me out. This is just the stuff that really annoys me lately. I don't even know. I don't know. Just always on the wrong side. Anyways, I mean, not gonna touch the other account now. The other account looks good, so that's fine. But yeah, I think I'm gonna call it here. I mean, there's nothing really that I wanna trade right now. Like I said, I have a lot of evals that are ready to be activated, but right now I just don't want to do it. It's actually getting just too expensive lately. Didn't take out much money the last week, so it's starting to be really expensive and I don't like putting my own money into it. So we're just gonna wait. We still have one account. Let's see what we can do with it, but it is what it is. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna shut down the computer and walk away. But I will be back on Monday, like always, and I'm gonna move again the Airbnb on Sunday, so there's gonna be a different location. So maybe this is gonna help. Who knows? It is what it is. 7-7. Yeah, should have waited. Should have listened to like look. You get your bounce here from here. And good decision. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, guys, it's no one to blame but myself. I'm the one who's pressing the button. So just sometimes like here, it looks like it's just funny. I don't know. If we just get filled here earlier, we're out already. Anyways, it is what it is. Yeah, guys, I hope you have a good weekend as well. Stay safe, spend time with your family, trade safe. Don't trade like me. Be careful. And yeah, Sunday I'm gonna make a video and just gonna talk about how much did I actually spend with prop firms in 2025. So hope to see you all on Sunday if you watch the video, or on Monday back in the stream. And then it is what it is. We can still turn it around, so let's look forward to that. All right, guys, appreciate all of you. Stay safe, and remember, if you want to grab Fiddy's accounts right now, they're 90% off until the market closes, so feel free to get some. Part of the trade. I mean, it's just part of myself being stupid. It is what it is. Yeah, I'm gonna sit down and oh damn. Hope you guys are short. Damn. Alright guys, appreciate you all anyways. See you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Peace.